Hey guys, Miss Tate here. Okay, as promised, we are done with all of these conversions and moving past all of these. We just finished everything and we are moving on to the bottom section of this reference sheet about time. Today, Wednesday, and Thursday, we're all going to be talking about time. Now, tomorrow you have your STAR test for writing, so we won't be doing any math. But today we're going to introduce this section here. So if you have your reference sheet, pull it out. If not, take a look at this. Let's look at time. So you don't have to memorize these because they'll be right here on your reference sheet. So that's nice. But we still need to have an idea about what these are and how to use them. So 1 year, you should know there are 12 months in a year. Right? January, February, March, April, May, June, July, August, September, October, November, December. 12 months. In 1 year, there's a total of 52 weeks. In 1 week, there's how many days? 7 days. Sunday, Monday, Tuesday, Wednesday, Thursday, Friday, Saturday, right? 7 days. In 1 day, there are 24 hours. In 1 hour, there are 60 minutes. And then in 1 minute, there are 60 seconds. So we're going to use all of these times to convert some units of time here. So we can still use this little chart that we use for all the other ones. We could still use it here for time. Let me show you an example. So if we had this problem, 9 weeks is the same as how many days? Well, I'm looking for weeks and days. I know 1 week is 7 days, so I'm going to use that to help me figure out, well, 9 weeks. So I'm still going to draw this little chart of what I've been using. I'm going to put what I know in the box, so they're giving me weeks. I'm looking for days. Now let's look here. What do we know about weeks and days? 1 week is 7 days, so I'm going to write that here. 1 week is 7 days. So how did I get from 1 to 7? I multiplied times 7. So if 1 week is 7 days, then 9 weeks, I would still need to multiply. 9 weeks would be how many days? 9 times 7 is 63. So 9 weeks is 63 days. So still using this chart to help me figure out questions about time. So I still use the same strategies, except for instead of using the measurements, I'm using the time info down here. Okay, let's try another one. 4 years equals how many months? Well, let's draw your chart. I've been given years. I'm going to put years in the box. I'm looking for months, so I'm going to put months on this side. Let's see, what do we know about years and months? Go to your chart. See, I need something that has years and months on the same line. Minutes, seconds, hour, minutes. Here's years and weeks. No, I need years and months right here at the top. 1 year is 12 months. So I'm going to write that here. 1 year is 12 months. So this is the times 12 rule. So if 1 year is 12 months, 4 years would be 4 times 12. What is 4 times 12? 48. So 4 times 12 is 48 months. 4 years is the same as 48 months. So again, still just using this strategy to easily solve these problems. Let's try 2 more. 5 minutes is equal to how many seconds? All right. So I've been given minutes. I'm looking for seconds. What do we know about minutes and seconds? Look at your chart. right here, minutes and seconds. Remember, it has to be on the same line. 1 minute is 60 seconds. So 1 minute is 60 seconds. Means this is going to be a times 60. So 5 minutes would be how much? I don't know. 5 times 60, I'm going to actually have to multiply that out. I don't know that off the top of my head. 5 times 0 is 0. What is 5 times 6? 30. So it is 300 seconds. 5 minutes is the same as 300 seconds. Let's try one more. Okay, what if they said blank hours is equal to 3 days? Okay, this one is written a little bit differently. I still am going to put what I know in the box. So I know days, and I'm looking for hours. So let's see, what do we know about days and hours? 1 day is 24 hours. So 1 day is 24 hours. So that's times 24. So 3 days would be how many hours? It's 3 times 24. I don't know that. I'm going to have to multiply it. Okay, 3 times 24. 4 times 3 is 12. 3 times 2 is 6 plus 1 is 7. So that is 72 hours. 72 hours is the same as 3 days. So this is like the same process of what we've been used to doing all of our conversions, except for this time we're going to be doing them using all of these times down here at the bottom. You can also use these times to compare. So let me show you. How about we do a problem like this? So if you have 50 hours, I want to know, is that larger or smaller than 2 days? So we would use these symbols to fill in which one's going to be larger, which one's going to be smaller. Right now I can't compare them because this one's in hours, this one's in days. I need them to be the same so they're easily compared. So let's change 2 days. How many hours would that be? So for 2 days, I want to go days to hours. My marker's going out. Let me get a different marker real quick. Hang on. Let me pause this. Okay, got another marker. So days, we want to go to hours. So 1 day is 24 hours. So 2 days times 24. 2 days is how many hours? So 2 times 24 is 48. So 2 days is the same as 48 hours. Now I can compare 48 hours to 50 hours. Which one is larger? This one. So you're going to do the same thing that we've been doing, except for using it with time. Do one more. 3 minutes. And then 200 seconds. Which one will we fill it in with? 3 minutes, 200 seconds. Right now, I can't compare. Let's change it. It seems easier to me to change minutes to seconds. Okay, so we're going to go from minutes, and we're trying to change it to seconds. Well, 1 minute, look at your chart. 1 minute, you should know, is 60 seconds. So that's times 60. If 1 minute is 60 seconds, then 3 minutes should be 3 times 60. If you don't know what that is, let's multiply. 3 times 0 is 0. 6 times 3 is what? 180, or 18. So 3 minutes is the same as 180 seconds. So if this is 180 seconds, this is 200 seconds. Which one is actually larger? 200 seconds is more than the 3 minutes. So you're going to practice this. I would still use this chart for all of your problems like we had been doing with conversions. Grab your star reference sheet because they're all listed here. So you're going to do the exact same routine that we've been doing. You put the unit that you are given in the box. The unit that you're looking for goes on the outside. You fill in the information you know from your star reference sheet, and then you plug in your problem to find your answer. Okay, good luck.